Hello everyone. Welcome to BridgeLCS. In this video, we'll guide you through the period closing and year-end closing processes within the BridgeLCS platform. Period closing, also known as month-end closing, is the process where all jobs, invoices, and payments for the period are finalized, making them unable to be modified afterward. To process the period closing, begin by accessing the finance module of the platform and go to the closing section. Select period closing. This page will display all recorded data related to the closed year, closed month, opened at, reopened at, closed at, the number of reopens, and the current status. You may now click on the filter button and select the closing year. Now select the month to be closed and click on Submit button. Once the month is selected and submitted, it will be displayed here. To take further action, right-click on the month to access options to close or delete. When you select Close, a pop-up window will appear with the options to close or cancel. Choosing Close will finalize all financial entries for that month. After closing, you can right-click on the month to reopen or delete. When you select Delete, a confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete the period. You can choose Delete to confirm or cancel to abort the action. Additionally, there is an Export button available that allows you to export the data as an Excel file. Next, we will show you year-end closing processes within the BridgeLCS platform. Year-end closing is the process where all transactions, invoices, and payments for the year are finalized, making them permanent and unmodifiable. Start by clicking on a Finance module and navigate to the Closing section. And select a year closing. Before starting the year-end closing process, here are a few important points to keep in mind. Firstly, all the period from January to December will be closed with year-end closing. Secondly, all the transaction from the P&L account will be moved to retained earnings. Thirdly, make sure all the relevant data entries have been passed. Finally, make sure the closing is with the consent of finance manager and auditor. With these points noted, let's proceed to the year-end closing steps. You may select the closing year and click on the Close Year button. A prompt will appear asking, "Are you sure you want to close the fiscal year?" You can click Yes to proceed or Cancel to abort the action. And at the bottom, you will now see a summary of the profit and loss. That's all in this video. Hope this video finds you well. If you have any queries or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. Thank you.